everybody, welcome down to Take a Great Vacation. I am David.
Dee.
It's my sister Dee, and this is another episode of Cruise Life where we show you how to do something from a cruise in your own home and get drunk. So today we are, if you haven't noticed these little things, we are doing towel animals. So we're going to show you, I'm going to show you how to do a dog.
I'm going to try and show you how to do an elephant.
See how that goes. It's a little competition. We're brother and sister. It's got to be a competition. So I am going to make a little dog or a puppy or whatever you want to call him. And basically to do this, I got a towel that's probably a little bigger than it should be, but it's the only size we have. So we're going to work with it. So you just roll up the side till you get to about the middle. And then do the same thing on the other side. Until you get to the middle. Then you want to flip it over like this and do that so that the crease is on this side. You're going to flip it over, and if you haven't told, this is the legs. So here's the trick that they don't really tell you. They go really fast when they're doing this. You need to pull the center parts out. And if you've seen other people do these, they like do this really quick and they don't really tell you how. So once you get those, you got to pull them out far enough where you can grab a hold of them at the same time. And then when you do, grab them together. And if this works, pull them apart like this. And flip it over. And the first part of the dog is done. That's his legs. So we're going to set that aside. And then you need a little hand towel. I feel like I'm doing a magic trick. Doing a little hand towel. So here's the other thing. When they do this really quick, they're like, oh yeah, just fold it up and do it. No, don't do that. Take this and grab a hold of the bottom part, put your finger in the center, and just pull it over so you have like this little wing here. Then do the same thing here, grab the corner. Oh, apparently I didn't do it in the middle. Let's see. Let's do this to find the middle. Okay. Do the same thing. Grab that end. It's pretty close. Okay. Then you fold this end, fold it over like that. Take these little wings, fold them in, fold that in, and slowly roll these together. So then, oh, there's a little face, there's a little nose. So I'm gonna cheat. Add this little clip because it's just much easier to clip them together. Obviously, if you're on a cruise, they wouldn't do this, but just to get it to stay, I'm going to hold it together with a little clip. And then you fold his ears. Oh, well, I shouldn't use one with a tag, but arrange his ears any way you want. And set him on his legs. And then you can decorate him any way you want. I like sunglasses. And of course they gotta be Maui Jim's. He's my dog. He's not gonna have anything but the best. So there you go, there's my dog.
Okay, so I am going to attempt to make a monkey. Let's see. So, take a towel, fold it up, like this, halfway.
Looks like you're copying my dog.
No. Let me tell you, your dog's gonna look a lot better than the monkey. But that's okay. So we're gonna fold the other end up halfway. Okay. Then you take this, fold it in half, just like David's dog. Take out the little monkey paws. take them out from the middle, and then you take the ends. You want to grab just the middle if you can, which is hard for me to do, and take it apart, just like the dog. Spank the monkey. It's been bad. Spank him hard. Get your aggressions out. There we go. Take a washcloth. Tuck in the. Okay, let's just forget that. Fold it like so. Then you take this corner, fold it up. This corner and fold it up. Flip it over. And then flip that over. And flip that over. Okay, so there we go. Doesn't really look like a monkey face, but it is.
Okay, so now I have to step in to hold the monkey.
And he's not falling apart.
What the hell?
Yeah,
He's falling apart.
his guts are coming out. Okay.
I think I won this contest.
Yeah. I wanted to do the swan, and he said, "No, you're doing the monkey." Oh wait.
Because she already switched like
Let's
4
see.
times.
Oh wait.
She's like, oh, I think the elephant would be easy. Oh, I think the mouse would
Well,
be easy.
it kind of looks like a dog now. I'm gonna say it's a dog. Yay! Yeah. All he needs is a noose. Okay.
There you go.
There's the monkey. So. Oh, you didn't get to put the glasses on. That would have totally.
That would have saved it. Oh my god. It's all my fault.
Yeah, he knows I'm drinking. I'm gonna forget the glasses and I'm gonna lose the competition.
Okay, so thanks for watching our little video, and check back because we're going to be doing some more cruise life videos. If you have any suggestions for things that you've seen on cruises that you'd like to know how to do, let us know, and we will see you soon.